الله أكبر الله أكبر.
This is the valley of Manipur, the jewel of India. And these people belong to the Muslim community of Manipur, the so-called pangal. With a total population of around 500,000, this minority ethnic group settle in different parts of the South Asia, spanning the national boundaries. These Manipuri speaking Muslims are the followers of Islam, belonging to Sunni sect and mostly following Hanafi school of thought. Constituting about 8.32% of the total population of Manipur, more than 70% of the Pangals settle in the rural areas. Pangals also settle in Assam, Tripura, Bangladesh and Myanmar. It is believed that Pangals are the descendants of those Muslims who came to Manipur from the Sylhet region now in Bangladesh during the reign of King Khagemba in 1606 AD. They were allowed to settle in the valley, mostly in the peripheral areas like river valleys, near the lakes and paddy fields. Based on availability of water for ablution, lakes for fishing, fields for agriculture. In the early Manipuri society, Pangals were noted for their unique skills in agriculture, horticulture, pisciculture, warfare, weaving, carpentry, blacksmithy, games and sports, handloom and handicrafts, bamboo works, traditional art and crafts. Women are hardworking. Unlike any other Muslim women in the rest of the world, Pangal women involved in all economic activities, not lagging behind their males. Manipuri Muslims are included in the other backward classes OBC list as Maitai Pangals. The two-day National Conference on Manipuri Muslims, past, present and future, is being organized by All Manipur Muslims Maitai Pangal Welfare Association, Ampawa, Imphal, as the association feels the need to discuss all these common issues and find amicable solutions.
أشهد أن محمد رسول الله. حي على الصلاة.